How to change the main icon in Marvel Future Fight. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily change the main icon or avatar in Marvel Future Fight. To do so, first of all, launch open Marvel Future Fight game on your device and make sure you are inside the lobby screen. Once you're in, go ahead and look for your name at the top left corner and tap on it. This will bring up the settings menu and under account, you'll see your code name button. Tap on the select main icon button from the menu and click on that. Now on the next page, select one of the main icon you want to switch to for your account and click select. Now click on OK. You will be able to change the icon 3 times per day. Click on OK and there you have it. That is how you can easily change your main icon or your avatar in Marvel Future Fight. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.